I've picked up the Kizik slip-on shoes before, but today I wanted to check out their leather ones. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. It's leather night at the Panda Research Institute, and I just picked up these Kizik shoes here because I love the fact that I can just slip them on. First of all, the box here has this little tab, so you can open it. It's kind of satisfying too. Oh, sounds like the box is farting. That was me. Listen, I picked these up because Kiziks are so convenient. I have really grown to love them. You just kind of step into them. They've got some little mechanism in the heel to pop the end back here. But what I really wanted was something that didn't look just like a sneaker. Something that was maybe a little bit more formal. Something that maybe you could wear to work, something to an outing, that wouldn't look like you're just showing up in your New Balances or something like that. So these are the Kiziks, but in leather. Now, they come in a variety of different colors, and the black one actually has a black sole. So you might say, hey, that white sole on this brown one is a little too bright. It actually looks a little too sneakerish, but I thought this is a pretty good balance. And then I also think that they have a gray one that's like this up here and then white down here. But this one I thought looked pretty good because it has a little bit of that brown leather look, but still has that slip-on and spring back action of the heel here. So let's just take a close look at this and then try it out. Alright, so here are the Kiziks, and what I want to show you here is this leather is pretty nice. It's kind of tight. I believe it is a real leather. I mean, it smells good. If that's a fake leather scent, then it's the best I've ever seen. And so you can see here, kind of smooth. It's like a satin, you know, it's not a patent leather or anything like that, but it's also not overly pebbly. So it looks good. It smells great. I love this. Definitely milk chocolate color here. It has a matching lace. Now, one of the things that I will tell you is that obviously they are not tied, and I would say that my strategy on this is to go ahead and step into these. We're a size 10 FYI, in case you want to send me any gifts. Step into these and then just kind of lace them up to your comfort and then tie them. In most cases, for me, I have a pretty average size foot, so you know, sometimes when I just tie these, I fit into them very nicely. And one of the things that's nice about this is you can see there's a little loop there holding it to the laces so that when you slide in here, you're not pushing that tongue down, right? So it's not getting in the way. But then you can activate this piece here. I just wanted to give you a really close-up look at this because, you know, it's hard to see what kind of quality you get here. You have kind of the unfinished edge of the leather exposed there, some nice color match stitching. You have this kind of like contrasting stitching right there, which is kind of interesting. It says Kizik on the back. And then if we look at the sole, this is all kind of that lightweight foam sole. But then even on the bottom here, this is really grippy. You know, that's actually super grippy. And you have these sipes in there. This is more of a foam right here, but this darker color material here, it's actually kind of really grippy. This is a little smoother and more like a sneaker type material, but I think if you're going upstairs and whatnot, that's gonna grip really well. So I think this looks really, really good. Now let's just go ahead and put them on and see if they work still with their little spring back heel action right there. Alrighty, so here are my leather Kiziks, and I've gone ahead and tied the little laces here, and we're just gonna go ahead and step into it, and boom. Look at that. Let's see if I can give you a close-up of that heel action when you step into this guy. So I'm just going to step into it, kind of push my heel through there, and then once you get in there, that heel recovers just like that. So now I don't have to bend down and do all that menial stuff. Certainly tie laces because they're very confusing, and I forget all the time how to do it. It's like the rabbit goes around the tree, through the hole, through the drive-through, drops some change, bends over, loses pants. I don't remember what the nursery rhyme is that gets you to tie your laces properly, but these don't require any of that. You can just step into them and go, which is really nice. And what I love about these is that they are true leather. So not the canvas, that fabric material. They look a little bit more formal. I think will be better for most occasions. And they're just as convenient as any of the other Kizik slip-ons. So I am really loving these. If you want to pick these up because you want to be a little more formal and a lot more lazy, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.